Somehow my apartment floors were always messy, so I got the Vac Pro 2 to help that out. This one's an upgrade from my previous model as it has a vibrating mopping pad as well as a few other cool features. It avoids obstacles like walls, table legs, as well as chairs. It can go under your couch as well as avoid stairs. I was pleasantly surprised when it didn't mop over my rug and get it all wet. No complaints with the app. It's pretty simple and easy to use, and it also keeps track of your home layout. You can also get a self-emptying station if you don't want to clean out the dustbin. Overall, I'm really happy with mine, so make sure you check out the link in bio if you're interested.